If Clipchamp is giving you an unexpected application error or a supported format error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix so you can get your video imported and edited without wasting time. This is especially useful if Clipchamp keeps rejecting your file, even though it looks like it should work. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump in. First, open Clipchamp and try uploading your file again so you can confirm the error is actually coming from the media file itself. In many cases, the issue is not Clipchamp being broken, but the file format or file properties not matching what the editor expects. Clipchamp works best with supported video types like MP4, MOV, and WEBM. So the first thing to check is whether your file is one of those formats. If your file is not in a supported format, convert it before uploading. The safest option is MP4 with H.264 video and AAC audio. That combination is widely compatible and usually fixes most upload and import problems right away. If you use the screen recorder, phone export, or downloaded file, it may be encoded in a way that Clipchamp does not like, even if the file extension looks correct, so converting it properly is an important first step. Next, check the actual file type and make sure it is truly supported. Sometimes a file may have the wrong extension, or it may have been renamed without changing the format inside the file. For example, a file named MP4 might still contain unsupported video or audio encoding. If that happens, Clipchamp can throw an unexpected application error or refuse to load the media. Verifying the format saves you a lot of trial and error. Another easy fix is renaming the file. Keep the file name simple and remove any special characters, symbols, emojis, or unusual punctuation. Long file names and strange characters can sometimes cause problems during import, especially if the file came from another device or was downloaded from the internet. A clean file name like video1.mp4 is much safer than something with brackets, accents, or symbols. If the error still appears, try using a smaller file size or a lower resolution. Very large video files can sometimes be harder for Clipchamp to process, especially on browsers with limited memory or slower systems. Exporting the file at a lower resolution or compressing it slightly can make it much easier for the editor to handle. This is a great fix if your video is long, high resolution, or recorded in 4K. After adjusting the file, go back and re-upload it into Clipchamp. This is important because the previous file may still be cached or marked as unsupported. Re-uploading gives you a fresh attempt with the corrected version of the video, and in many cases, that is enough to solve the issue immediately. If Clipchamp is still acting up, clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files and stored site data can interfere with web apps and cause strange errors that seem unrelated to your video. To do this, go into your browser settings, open privacy, and choose clear browsing data. Make sure cached files and site data are removed, then reopen Clipchamp and try again. This simple reset often fixes unexpected application errors. If needed, you can also try refreshing the page, signing out and back in, or using a different browser to isolate whether the issue is coming from your current session. But in most cases, the main fix is making sure the file is in MP4 H.264 with AAC audio, has a simple name, and is not too large. So to recap, open Clipchamp, confirm the file is supported, convert it to MP4 H.264 plus AAC if needed, rename it to remove special characters, reduce the size if necessary, re-upload the file, and clear your cache if the problem continues. Following these steps should fix the Clipchamp unexpected application error in most situations. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.